Once in a while in your life there come opportunities that you regret you did not take, and I will give you some examples. Now, if you had joined me because I've been trading live now for 2 years, and what I ask people, just start with $25. You find a link below the video if you want to now join in, but I will explain to you. So, let's see here now. I started 2 years ago with this account with $100, okay? Now it's at 88,370. If you joined me and trade together with me for 2 years, let's say you started with $25, you would have had 22,000, a little more than that today. 22,000 with just $25, okay? Now, if you want to join with another broker, let's say you started with this broker, same deal. I started with $100. If you then started with $25 here, you would have had 12,000, a little more than $12,000 if you joined me 2 years ago. Of course, you would have started to bid more and more, right? But the difference is the same, okay? You could have started to give more percent for each trade. I have just taken $100 trades. In the start, of course, I did not take $100 trades, but I did step up till I come up to 100 and I stop there because I have emotions, right, when I trade. But you could have stepped up and take more and more, and you would have even have made more than me. So this is your chance. Change your life. Don't be sitting thinking what you could have done, because trust me, in 2 years I will make a new video like this and you'll think, oh, why I did not join. Don't be thinking back on what you could have done. Think about what you can do today, and today sign up. And do you know what is free? The only thing I ask you to do, use my affiliate link, put in your $25 and get started today, because yes, we will make money the next 2 years also. I will make up that video and you will regret if you don't join today. And everything is done live, so it's no edit with softwares and things like other YouTubers do. This is real numbers that I have done in front of people for 2 years, and you can join me for the next 2 years. What do you say? I want to see you in the next live session, and tell me if you came from this video, because I would love to see you. And I will, any questions by the way you have, just ask them and I'll reply when I trade live. So with that, have an amazing day and let's make some money together.